from Bikkurim, Perek Dalid, Mishnah Aleph. So the Kahati points out something really interesting. He says this whole Perek appears in the Tosefta. At the Tosefta, just if you don't know, there's Mishnah, we know. These are, Mishnah is the teachings of Tanaim, of rabbis in the generations of the Tanaim. So there's Mishnah, but in addition to Mishnah, the Mishnah was organized by Rabbi Yehuda Nasi, there was Braita and Tosefta. I should actually write this down. I should just give you, just so you see it in front of you. Okay, I'll just write the words in case you don't know. Mishnah. The Mishnah appears and it was edited and redacted by Rabbi Yehuda Nasi. Okay? But Rabbi Yehuda Nasi, what he did was he took all kinds of teachings and he combined them together and he created the format that we know. But then there's also something called Braita and also Tosefta. Tosefta is also organized in the same order. Braita would appear generally in the Gemara and Tosefta. All of those things, these three things, Mishnah, Braita, and Tosefta, are of Tanaitic teachings. Some made it into the Mishnah, some didn't, and some are just Tosefta. Okay? That being said, I did a search for Tosefta Bikkurim, and then you'll see there's Tosefta Bikkurim is very similar to Bikkurim itself. And it corresponds to our Mishnah. Okay, and it's all very similar to what we have. There's a whole list of Toseftot. Okay, the Kahati says that this is corresponding to Tosefta Bikkurim Bet Gimel Tezayin. Okay, and if we look here, it's very interesting. Well, I don't know if the numbering is the same, but Androginus, Yeshbo, and we're going to see Drachim Sheshava, etc., etc. How is it? So it's basically these four Braito, or four sections of the Tosefta, the way they appear, they're going to appear. Let's go back to our Mishnah, and we're going to see it's exactly that. Why are they included? So the Kahati says, listen, there's no commentary of the Bar Tanura, no commentary of the Tosfot Yom Tov. He says at the end, we added it because it's Nichlal Beluach HaMishnah Yomid. Whoever designed the Luach Mishnah Yomid, I have to find out who that is, since I teach it every day. Okay, they included these Braito, these Tosefta. And since they're included, somehow they got included, they got in, and that's what you have. Okay, so this chapter is going to deal with called an Androginus. Androginus is someone who was born with both sexual organs. So he or she, he, it, he, it's really a he, okay, has the sexual organs of a male and the sexual organs of a female. Let's just look for a second. Here we are. Right, there's a Wikipedia entry. There's a Wikipedia entry about everything. So the etymology of the word androgynous is a combination of two words in Greek. Andro, man, and ginu, isha. So it's man-woman. Androgynous literally means man-woman. Okay, so androgynous has both sexual organs, as opposed to what's called a tumtum. Tumtum is someone who has no sexual organs, or none of them, the sexual organs are not apparent. It was born with the skin covering the sexual organs, so you don't know if it's really a man or a woman. So this problem, our Mishnah is going to talk about androgynous. Our Mishnah is going to talk about the fact that halachically, the halacha makes strong divisions between the sexes, between men and women, as we all know. The biggest examples are mitzvot aseh as man grama. Men are chayav and women are exempt. So what is an androgynous? What is he chayav in and what is he not? How is this connected to Bikkurim? It's not at all. Nonetheless, well, not in any direct way. Nonetheless, it appears in our Mishnah, so we're going to learn it. Says the Mishnah, androgynous, and by the way, the Wikipedia says today is something called intersex. Someone intersex has both sexual organs. Androgynous. Yesh bo drachim shaveh la'anashim, ve'yesh bo drachim shaveh la'anashim. In some ways, halachically, the androgynous is like men. In some ways, the androgynous is like women. Ve'yesh bo drachim shaveh la'anashim v'nashim. In some ways, it's similar halachically. In some halachic aspects, it's similar to men and women. Ve'yesh bo drachim eno shaveh la'anashim v'nashim. And in some ways, this androgynous is not like either men or women. And we're going to see. I mean, you can only imagine, as I read these Mishnayot, personally I find it very, very difficult. Not because of the halachic realities. Halacha deals, it's sort of abstract, but because of the challenges that this person who was born in this way would face, it's really difficult to minimize and difficult to comprehend the challenges that this person faced and the way that they were born and neither here nor there, as we'll see in the Mishnayot coming along. We'll stop here. If you have any questions or comments, you can email me at rspolter@gmail.com. We'll dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman.